screencast, we're going to have a quick look at how you find information from the library. The best starting point is actually from the My Hallam page. If you log into My Hallam initially, it means you'll get access to all the different resources the library have brought in for you. So from My Hallam, we can link through to the library. This has recently been updated to the new library homepage. We're going to look at Library Search, which is one of the many discovery resources we have for you to work with. Library Search has most of the resources we brought in behind one search screen. You could search for books by title, but these are normally given to you in your actual reading lists. What's more likely is you're going to be looking for your own unique information and you're going to be using keywords. And my keywords in this case are physical activity and mental health. You can see it helps you with some of the suggestions. Once we've completed the search, it brings up the whole range of resources we have to cover this area. Here we go. Like with any sort of major search engine, the technique is once you've used your keywords, whether it's academic or social, you then have to refine, which we'll look at in a little while. But this does give you an idea of the range of resources we have. One final point I'd just like to make here is before you try to use any of the resources, particularly online ones, it's just worth double checking you are signed in to make sure everything links through. Next video we look at how to refine the resources and how they might work for you.